Ladies, I got a recipe for you today. And I know what you're thinking. Why is his eye squinty? You don't like that, right? Why is he using that deep voice? It's because I just got a fresh haircut. But enough about that. I got a recipe for you today for a wild hair growth oil. Now, this is going to be a simple one to do. This is going to be for a 5-gallon batch, and it's a certified, guaranteed, tried and trusted, tried and tested, money-making hair growth oil. This is how we do it. First thing we're going to pick up is 1 gallon of smoky Jamaican black castor oil. We're going to go ahead and grab this from Coco Jojo. Really good for hair growth, really good for moisturizing the hair. And I know castor oil is a little thick, so work with me. We're only putting 1 gallon out of 5, so we're going to thin it out. Next, 1 gallon of flaxseed oil. Flaxseed is really good at helping thick hair growth, as well as moisturizing the hair, helping with prevent damaged hair, and it has properties that's going to help with the dandruff. So this is another oil that we're going to go with really good. Now, next, we're going to go with neem nut oil. We're grabbing this from Coco Jojo. Matter of fact, the last 2 oils we got were from Coco Jojo as well. Coco Jojo, you guys need to cash me a check. I know you're getting paid because of me. Now, the neem nut oil, this is a good oil. It offers antifungal, antibacterial properties. It's going to help with dandruff. It's going to provide a healthy scalp environment. Now, a healthy scalp environment equals healthy hair. Next, we're going to go with 1 gallon of sunflower seed oil. This is high in vitamin E. It moisturizes the hair and provides perfect antioxidant benefits. This is also going to be the oil that we add all of our herbs and powders to for the infusion. Now, we're going to go with 1 gallon of golden jojoba oil. Jojoba oil mimics our natural oil or sebum of our scalp. So it's hydrating, preventing dryness without leaving a greasy residue, and it moisturizes the deepest layers of our skin. So we're going to go with 1 gallon of golden jojoba oil. Vitamin E, 15 ounces of vitamin E. This is going to be our antioxidant. This is going to help support a healthy scalp, and it reduces the oxidative properties of the oil. So it prevents your oil from going rancid. 8 ounces of Optifin Plus is our preservative. It's going to provide longevity, safety of the oil blend by preventing microbial growth. But it's also going to help with any yeast and or mold that we might get from the process of infusing our oils. Now, the first powder or extract we're going with is going to be 3.5 ounces of biotin powder. This is going to support keratin production, which can help increase the rate of follicle growth, meaning it'll make our hair grow faster. 1 pound or 16 ounces of rosemary leaf powder. And I know it seems like a lot, but in the 5-gallon, we want a really nice, potent batch. And so the rosemary is going to stimulate the scalp, promoting hair growth, preventing premature graying. So ladies, if your man is stressing you out, this is going to help keep your hair from turning gray. You don't have to be called a silver fox. 10 ounces of clove powder. Clove is rich in antioxidant. It's going to reduce the hair fall and promote hair thickness. We all want that thick, lush. Oh, my family got Indian roots type hair. This is what we're going to use. So we're also going to add in 7 ounces of lemongrass powder. Lemongrass is going to help to strengthen the hair follicles, has antifungal, antibacterial properties, overall keeping your hair and scalp healthy. Now, last but not least, we're going to go with 14 ounces of ground ginger powder. Use the organic, please. This is going to increase the circulation in the scalp, encouraging healthy hair growth and soothing any dryness. So it's going to help with a lot of stuff. It's going to help with dandruff. How we do this is really simple. All right, take an oil infuser, pour in all your powders and extracts, pour them all in there, fill it up with your sunflower seed oil. Now go ahead and turn that on. Let it infuse for the next 24 to 48 hours in the machine. Guarantee a very nice potent blend. Strain it all out. When you strain it out, you will have a little residue. That's okay. We're making a pretty much natural product. So strain it out into your large container, pour in all your other liquids. So your Jamaican black, your neem nut, sunflower, golden jojoba, vitamin E, all your oils, preservatives into that. Stir it all up, mix it up. Go ahead and bottle it up and fill it and sell it. I recommend anywhere from a 2 to 8 ounce would be really generous, but 2 to 4 ounce bottle. And I would suggest selling this for anywhere from $18 to $24 a bottle. Now, if you're looking for other ways to grow your business, other funding options, other things, this Sunday and this Sunday only, I will be going over that on my next master class. I'm going to be bringing in a lot of different grants, scholarships, and programs that you guys can sign up for and get funding for your beauty business. I don't do this every week. This Sunday, I'll be doing this. So click in that link in the bio if you want to learn how to get free money to grow your business.